So the topic is learn to quarantine like a boss. So you will have a question probably that why am I here? So you are here first of all. This is an effort to try and make this lockdown and the quarantine times a little less annoying and more productive for all of us. We'll use this time today. We'll just not take more than 10 to 15 minutes. We'll just use this time to share and discuss ideas on work from home. Some of us are doing really great at it. Some of us are getting really sucked into it. Sleeping patterns are disturbed and whatnot. So we'll discuss and share ideas and see what works for whom. And the real intention of doing this is that we are practicing how to host webinars for Advantage Marketing. So we are going to use this tool Zoom. I'm also recording this session. I'm also going to use notes of it. So as much as possible, interact, use as much options you'll see as an audience so that I get to know how to use them all. All right?
Yep.
Okay. Next, move to the next slide now. So as we saw in the survey, there are mainly these kind of problems which we all are facing, that we are becoming less productive. It is getting difficult to manage time. Our sleep patterns are disturbed. And last but not the least, most of us are bored as F, I don't know. Yes? Do we agree on that?
Yes.
But I'm not particularly bored though. Like, I won't say I'm bored. I'm pretty chill.
So that is why, Ankit, you are here, because you will be the one who will guide us that what you are doing something so special, which is that's why you
are productive ho gaya mere liye. I think this is more productive.
All right, so whosoever has tips will share it with the rest of us. Next, so these are few of the tips which I explored over the internet. None of these are probably most of these would be something which you already heard of, but yes, we can all discuss and see what works best for whom. Right? So the first tip is act as if you're in the office. You need to plan out your work a night before or probably in the morning. We all already have an idea, and our stand-up sheet helps us to organize our day that ways. So every time you put on your task, that's the time when you plan out your entire work day. How much time will you be spending on items which are related to keep the business running part of it, and how much would you spend on keep the business innovative part of it. The next step which can be useful would be that you can set up a work area. As you can see, and I'll show you in a while as well, that I like to set up my work area first thing in the morning so that I know that whenever I'm sitting here, I'll be working. If there is something which I need to take care of, or probably a call, if I have to eat, I generally leave this area and come back to it thinking that this is my office these days. Next is also, which is an example of me, I share a lot of funny Snapchat stories with people wherein I am dressing up even though I'm working from home. This is generally just to give my brain the signal that yes, the day has begun and office hours are started. So you cannot be lazy, you cannot be in your pajamas, and you cannot be sitting and trying to work while you're trying to chill. Next tip is also something which we already do, that's arranging meetings, but I think we should add another twist to it, is always put on our cameras, because that way, first of all, that we get to see each other, we get to notice who is right now just out of the bed, and that's one way you'll also start being up early, because you'll also notice that other people are doing it your ways. Next is taking small breaks, which is very essential. We all know that when we were working from office, we loved our small breaks, or everybody used to hang out. Right now, it's also essential that while you're working at home, it's easy to sit in one place and just sit for long hours, for maybe 2 to 3 hours and just work. But plan out small breaks, go talk to people in the house. And last but not the least, create boundaries. By this, I mean that there are times when other people are at home, you might get disturbed a lot. That I know that my mother can walk in any moment and she doesn't know that I'm on a call. She'll ask me for food, which happened in the last call. So we need to create some sort of boundaries and let the people in our house also know that when we are working, there are few hours in which I would not like to be disturbed. That way you'll be able to be more productive and get the most of your day.